Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer pod payouts with Printify to bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Printify account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select the Earnings tab. In the Earnings section, click on Payouts. Review your available payouts to ensure you meet the minimum transfer amount. Click on the Transfer button. You will be prompted to connect your bank account if you haven't done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your bank account details. Verify your banking information for accuracy. Once your bank information is saved, return to the Payouts section. Choose the payout amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the transfer details on the next screen. Review the terms of the transfer. Click Confirm to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation notification. Keep track of the transfer status in the Payouts section. Be patient, as transfers may take a few business days to process. Check your bank account to confirm the funds have arrived. If you experience issues, contact Printify support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.